Good morning, students. Today we'll be discussing the first lesson in the first unit, that is the snake and the mirror. You know the meaning of the snake, right? And you might have seen snakes in your life. And mirror is not that unfamiliar to you. You know it, right? What a mirror is. All right, the snake and the mirror. This is the first lesson in the first unit. And how are they connected with each other? Why, the title is like this, the snake and the mirror. What did the snake do in the lesson? So that is what the discussion is in the lesson actually. uh, yeah, there is one protagonist, the hero, a young man who is unmarried, and he is living in one room, right? A rented room. And the lesson begins like this: has a snake ever coiled itself around any part of your body? So if a snake comes and coils itself around your body, any part of your body, how do you feel? So that is a question. And actually this question the doctor has asked the villagers. Who is this doctor? A homeopath. Homeopath. Homeopath is a doctor, homeopathy doctor. He is telling his story to the villagers. So he asked this question. Then the villagers are silent. Now actually he wanted to discuss this, he wanted to ask this question in order to take up one story that happened in his life. So he started narrating that story to these villagers. What the story is, let's see. So it was a hot summer night, about 10 o'clock. I had my meal at the restaurant and returned to my room. I heard a noise from above as I opened the door. So this is how the second paragraph is. So when he went into the room, he heard some noise from above. So that was the noise, that if which was familiar to him. It was not something new to him. Uh, but he thought it was the sound of rats, because he said at one stage, in one paragraph, that people would wonder that he was sharing whether he was sharing the room with the rats, because there were many rats uh, in the ceiling, in his room, ceiling of his room. All right, then he says his room was not electrified, no electricity in the room, and he had a lamp. You can see in the picture, right? You can see in the picture that there is one lamp, and he was studying, right, a medical book, because he was a doctor now, so he was studying. And he had one suitcase too, in which you could find some dhotis and a coat, black coat, and some money, 60 rupees of money. Then what he did when he entered the room, he took off his coat and shirt. Then even his vest also, banyan, he hung it on the wall. All right, then he started reading one book. What book? The Materia Medica. Okay, so then what happened? There was a mirror. You can see in the picture that there was a mirror, one mirror. Okay, so he can see his picture in the mirror. All right, So there is a large mirror, and he is looking at himself in the mirror, and he thinks that he is handsome and he is very young and unmarried, and moreover he is a doctor. So he wanted to have a wife. That silly idea struck his mind. So he wanted to get married to a woman. Of course, man, who wants to get married to a woman. So he wanted to get married to a woman, and he wanted her to be fat. And he, why, because if a fat woman is his wife, if at all he makes any silly mistake, he can run. I mean, why? So that she may not, slap him, or she may not hit him on the face, or she may not punish him. That is what his idea is. So when if she is fat, he can escape easily from her. So that is why he wanted to marry a woman who is fat, and at the same time she has to be a doctor, and she has to be very rich. Okay, so these are the thoughts in his mind. Then suddenly what happened, uh, there came a sound again from the above. Then thought, maybe it was the sound of rats. But suddenly what happened, actually it was the sound of something else, right? Then what happened suddenly, I thought I would see. Here it is given in the second page, last paragraph. There were no more sounds from above. Suddenly there came a dull thud, as if a rubber tube had fallen to the ground. As if a rubber tube had fallen to the ground. ఒక రబ్బర్ ట్యూబ్ పడ్డట్టుగా కింద సౌండ్ వచ్చింది. So what is that sound? What is that rubber tube? So you can imagine that is a snake. The snake's landing on me, and yeah, no sooner had I turned than a fat snake wriggled over the back of the chair and landed on my shoulder. So one snake came and came onto his shoulder, crawled onto his shoulder. Then he did not jump, and he did not tremble even. Tremble means vanakidam. He did not tremble. He did not cry out even. There was no time actually to do such a thing. Then what happened? The snake slithered along my shoulder and coiled round my left arm from above the elbow. So it was coiled around his left arm. Coiled. చుట్టుకుందన్నమాట ఇట్లా. Then the hood was spread. దాని హుడ్ పడగ విప్పిందనమాట. So you can see in the picture. All right. So hood was spread out, and its head was hardly 3 or 4 inches from my face. It was just 3 or 4 inches away from his face. So anytime it might strike his face, right? It would not be correct to say merely that I sat there holding my breath. So he was sitting there silently and without any motion, no movement. I was turned to stone. He became like a stone. రాయిలాగా కూర్చుండిపోయాడు అట్లే. The door opened into darkness. The room was surrounded by darkness. In the light of the lamp, I sat there like a stone image in the flesh. I felt then the great presence of the creator of this world and this universe. God was there. I suppose I said something that he did not like it. I tried in my imagination to write in bright letters outside my little heart the words, "Oh God." So he was so confused, and he was not aware what he could do, what he had to do at that time. And there was some pain in his left arm. అది చుట్టుకుంది కదా ఇట్లా. So there was some pain in the left arm, and he wanted to get rid of the snake, but it was not easy, and he did not do it, of course. At my slightest movement, the snake would strike. At any time, the snake might bite him. So he did not want to move at all. Then what happened? Uh, he got some ideas in his mind. No medicine in the room, and what he had to do if the snake bites him. అది కరిస్తే కనుక ఏం చేయాలి, అన్ని ఆలోచనలు వస్తున్నాయి. Then the snake looked into the mirror లోకి చూసింది. అది చూసి మేబీ some thought might have struck its mind, the snake's mind, and it crawled down into his lap. అది కిందికి వెళ్ళిపోయింది, తన ఒళ్ళోకి వచ్చింది. ల్యాప్, ఎల్ఏపి ల్యాప్, ఒళ్ళోకి వచ్చి crawled on to the table పైకి వెళ్ళిపోయింది. You can see the table which is in front of him. He was reading a book, no, keeping the book on the table that he was reading. Actually, he was sitting across the table. So crawled onto the table. The snake crawled onto the table. Table పైకి వచ్చేసింది snake, and he wanted to enjoy its beauty. The snake wanted to enjoy its beauty. Maybe that was the idea he had. The snake wanted to enjoy its beauty at closer quarters. Means he wanted to, the snake wanted to move close to the mirror. So the snake went. Okay, it went to the mirror. Then what happened? He did not stop. Now he was so active. He got out of there and he jumped out of the room and he went to his friends. Then the next day, that night, he might have stayed in his friend's room. తన ఫ్రెండ్స్ రూమ్లోనే ఉండి ఉండొచ్చు. నెక్స్ట్ డే అతను మార్నింగ్ వచ్చేటప్పటికి నథింగ్ వాజ్ దేర్, నో స్నేక్, అండ్ ఈవెన్ హిజ్ బిలాంగింగ్స్, లైక్ ఎక్సెప్ట్ హిజ్ వెస్ట్, ఎక్సెప్ట్ హిజ్ బనియన్, అతని బనియన్ తప్ప వేరే ఏమీ లేవు రూమ్లో. ఎవ్రీథింగ్ వాజ్ టేకెన్ అవే. ఎవరో maybe some thief might have entered and might have stolen all his belongings. So this was what happened with the snake, and he told this story to the villagers. He story anta villagers ki cheppadu. Then someone asked, oka villager adigadu anamata, did the snake follow you? No, he said. And yeah, all right. So it was a snake which was taken with its own beauty. And one more question they asked, you got a fat wife? No, he said. He got such a wife who was very slim. Okay, she was even like a sprinter, a runner. She can run as fast as anybody because she is slender, no, sannaga undanamata. So she can run. So this was something which he never wanted. Tanaku oka fat wife korukunnadu, but he got a slender wife. Slim, SLIM, slim wife he got. Okay, this is the story. Read the lesson line to line, word to word. If any word you don't understand, underline it and ask me. If you don't understand any sentence, underline and ask me. Okay, and go to the worksheet and do it. Okay, send your answers to my personal number, right? All right. And who are very who are able to follow, please help your friends who are good at English. Should help your friends, Bhumika and others. మీరు చదివి వేరే వాళ్ళకి హెల్ప్ చేయండి. ఓకే, ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయండి. రైట్, ఆల్ రైట్. ఓకే, సో read the note lesson and write the notes and do the worksheet. And all the best. Keep studying. Okay, see you.